We're looking at the DB series self-propelled concrete mixer from the Italian company Fiori. The model, the X35, shows medium performance in the range. In one working cycle, it produces up to 3.5 cubic meters of concrete. Moreover, every hour, it performs about 4 working cycles. The drum volume is 5,000 liters, the water tank volume is 870 liters, and the bucket volume is 680 liters. An interesting feature of this particular model is the front loading. This allows the operator to better control the working process. The problem is that rear loading, as a rule, requires the installation of rear-view cameras, and even they aren't much help because the operation is messy and dusty. In addition, to improve the visibility, a wide cabin windscreen and the specially designed loading arms were designed. The dimensions of the Fiori DB X35 are such that it fits into a cargo container, which simplifies the transportation process. The manufacturer highlights the machine's maneuverability and high stability despite its relatively small size. The fact is that it will be difficult to find another machine that can also effectively deal with tasks, such as speeding up composting of organic waste. Menard SP60 is a toe-behind windrow turner that stirs the material, prevents it from compacting, and improves the oxygen enrichment of the mass. The machine works with food waste, poultry droppings, manure, leaves, and woodworking waste. It is an optimal tool which will become more indispensable in the accelerated composting system. It's noteworthy that in this case, a tractor is not needed to move the trailer. On the contrary, it's the trailer that pushes the tractor, while only the PTO shaft is needed from the tractor. This unit actuates the hydraulic system of the Menard SP60, which in turn activates the rotor drum. The Menard SP60 is one of the most powerful machines of its kind in the world. It works with a mass of up to 6 meters wide and 2 meters high. Material handler from the German company Sennerbogen. These machines are usually excavator-based. The working device is a clamshell bucket attached to the end of a long mobile boom. The machine is ideal for handling bulk goods, scrap metal, and waste. It's in great demand in warehouses, docks, metal scrap handling points, as well as in factories where solid domestic waste is processed. The model you see on your screens is stationary. This means that every day it copes with a huge amount of work, and it is engaged in complex loading at the site, where mobility is not really required. However, there are also similar models but tracked. However, they have, as a rule, less stability. The maximum reach of the boom of the Sennerbogen 860 is 23 meters. Operating weight varies from 79 to 120 tons. The engine can be diesel or electric, with an output of up to 350 horsepower. Even if it is really large, you don't necessarily need special filling machines. Sometimes, you can simply equip a standard excavator with the right attachments. On your screens you can see the rotary mower from Diamond Mowers. It has a rather large size. The diameter of the working disc is almost 183 centimeters. Rotating blades leave trees no chance. This model in particular is optimal for cutting trunks up to 20 centimeters in diameter. If you have to cut branches, the working width is 183 centimeters. Bulldozers. It was made considering all the errors and shortcomings of its predecessors. The Cat D11 turned out to be a large, universal machine. The modular design simplifies maintenance and optimizes performance. The machine offers efficient, safe handling of materials on the site, typically in mining quarries. The engineers have specifically designed the dump truck so that it can withstand impact loads. It easily copes with the twisting forces during heavy bulldozing and ripping operations. The Cat D11 has an operating weight of 104 tons. It features an industrial diesel engine C32 ACERT rated at 1,369 horsepower. The driver's cab has ergonomic controls, intuitive control systems, and an improved view. In general, it's no wonder that this tractor-trailer was built here. Metal tusks cut the ground to a depth of 45 centimeters. Then a heavy water-filled drum runs over the same place and completes the process. The developers compare the Reefinator H4 to a cheese grater in the way this 28-ton machine aggressively gnaws the rock, crushing it, loosening, mixing, and leveling. The machine displays excellent reliability and simplicity. It works with even the most aggressive types of soil in such a way as to ensure minimum parts wear. Harvest potatoes, you're about to get the answers to all of your questions. In addition, you'll see how fast the workflow has become thanks to the achievements of engineering. The AR4BX is a self-propelled 4-row harvesting machine designed by the Dutch company Plöger, especially to work with potatoes. The key feature is the large sifting area. This means that the tubers, after harvesting, don't encounter any obstacles while they move along the conveyors and are cleaned. The conveyor belt does not become narrowed either. This ensures a gentler handling of the potatoes. Another feature is a large 14-ton storage bunker. It makes the logistics in the field more efficient, because the workers don't need to stop as the unloading can be carried out right on the go.